Hi, this is Mitch with GearHead3d.com, and this video is BobCad version 25. I'm doing my first video of my airplane I'm designing, and it is now in 3D model. Took it from wireframe here to 3D model, and I want to do a quick video about how that looks at this moment. Fairly simple at this moment. So on the screen here, we've got a wireframe of an aircraft. You're looking at the top of it. This is the front. There's no engine showing at this moment, and there's no tail surface showing at this moment. But we do have the wing placed and the fuselage design. If we go to our front view, we can see this looks very much like a, I think it looks like a bird here, or like an eagle. You put an eye right here. That'd be fun. Put a beak on it. Anyway, but this is actually a hull shape. So this is a step that is used in water aircraft and boats. So this is modeled after a RC aircraft that I built. So I measured that, and I'm kind of designing and changing some things to make it more industrial use. So anyway, that's the 2D of it. Now I can grab it, BobCad here, and twist it around, and you can see there's a wireframe there. This is the body, and this is what we call a wireframe. This is the wing. So now I can do something like bring in the wing, and right now the wing is 3/16 thick, and it has surfaces. It's what they call in BobCad, you have three different states. You have the wireframe, you have surfaces, which this is right now. There's a surface on every edge. This whole triangle looking thing is one, and there's one on the bottom. And then they have the solids, so I can turn this into a solid, and it'll become solid with the hull. I can go ahead and turn on surfaces for the hull, and I have conveniently made those a different color. So I can kind of spin around here, kind of cool. So there's a front view on an angle. You can see my wings protrude out here and actually have another surface. I'll fix that in the next version, but I can move my mouse around here and you can see it's selecting the different surfaces of the model. So there's the model. You can see here again the water line would be here, here of the aircraft would be level with the water. If that makes sense. It's tilting up, and the spray and everything's coming up and hitting the bottom of this wing and being deflected back down away. The engine is above this, or there's a potential version that there'll be a ducted fan in the main hull for propulsion. So that's where we're at right now. Do need to design the tail, but now that I can do the 3D and understand how to put this together somewhat, we can make progress on this. The date is June 30th at 10:54 a.m. It's a Sunday morning. That's it. Just kind of cool looking at that from different angles. Again, thinking about the ducted fan and actually porting directional outputs from the back of this aircraft. And the fan would actually be at approximately midpoint here. And then there'd have to be multiple intakes coming in to feed the air. But I think it would work. Wouldn't have the thrust ratio if we're going straight up, but for speed, it would be awesome. Okay, that's it. Thank you.